Be careful. This guy's literally just about to go across the road. Be careful, be careful. What's going on, guys? Just here, waiting for Molly as usual. She's meant to finish work at 4 and it's now, I think, 4:45. So yeah, sitting here, waiting here like a lemon. We're off to Bournemouth this weekend. Bournemouth and the New Forest, so we're going to go around there. Stay in a nice like chalet, caravan-y type thing. Some country park, show you around. It's 5:15 now, another half hour since I spoke to you guys, and I'm still sitting here waiting for Molly. And now we're going to get stuck in all the rush hour traffic, and instead of a 2-hour journey, it'll probably be a 4-hour journey. Finally. Time to call this. Bags you actually need, it's ridiculous.
Not that many.
Ridiculous.
Girl's got to do what a girl's got to do.
3 days. See? Traffic. Lots and lots of traffic. What have you got to say for yourself? Hello?
Hey guys, so we just got here.
It's about 8:20. Not bad, 2 hours driving, and we got a McDonald's.
Obviously.
And someone learned how to use their hazards. She was very chuffed in the country roads.
Beams, full beams.
Full beams,
Didn't know
same
how
thing.
to use that.
But yeah, it's really nice. It's a bit dark in that now, so we can't really show you the outside, but we're gonna have a few drinks and that, relax. Morning, just woke up. Molly is still sorting herself out.
I forgot my straighteners and I have no lash glue, so it's not gonna
Dramas,
be a day.
dramas. But yeah, before we go out, I think we're going to go out to Woodland Walk. We've got a Woodland Walk right behind us, somewhere over here. And we're going to, yeah, show you around the caravan and all that. Caravan. We say chalet, we're a bit more posh than that, aren't we?
Chalet.
Right, Molly's going to show you around. Molly tours.
Our humble abode.
So, our bedroom, first of all. Very nice, very modern.
It's meant to be my tour, you know.
Well, hold on. Little ensuite, which stinks because of someone.
I just love this colour wood.
Oh yeah. Who do you think you are, Alan Titmarsh?
He does gardens.
Same thing, innit?
Lovely little
Another
shower.
bedroom.
Another bedroom in there, tiny bedroom.
For
Not
two.
many beds, sure.
This is really cool because it's really open plan, which we love, and there's so much space. And you get all of this, and I think it sleeps 6 people. Is about £200, £210 for 3 nights. So between 60, what's that, like £15, £20 a night.
So there's this super cute little gate that takes us into the Woodland Walk.
We're literally about 5 minutes outside of the camp. Molly's getting scared, thinking we've got to turn back because we're going past houses.
We're in a road that is so slim, the dogs might get...
Literally, it's just a normal country road, and there's a path next to us.
There's no path.
It is ridiculous. Let me just show you guys. So look, we're literally dealing with this. Path, road. But obviously someone's getting all weird.
Just taken them through the woodlands and we've seen some other dogs. Now, I don't know about you, but does anyone else have miniature sausage dogs who hate other dogs?
Petrified.
Petrified.
And literally any other dog they see, or any other person, let's
any
say,
other
nearly,
thing, let's say.
it just sets them off and they go crazy. They are so scared.
So scared, and we have to pick them up, and it's not really a walk, to be fair.
If anyone has any tips of how to get it out of them, just please comment and let us know.
Be very appreciated.
So awkward. Oh, so cool. Like, how handy is that? Especially when you have dogs. Love it. And then yeah, I think we might go to the beach in a little bit. Hopefully get the drone out and get some cool shots. So yeah, see you then. Just got down here to Barton-on-Sea. It's really windy today, so I don't know if the audio is going to be great because we haven't got that fluffy thing for the camera yet, have we?
Very nice, brisk is what we say.
Yeah, it's really nice. We're going to get the drone up in a sec to show you some good shots. Well, hopefully some good shots because I'm still not great with it. But yeah, let's see how it goes.
We're on our way out for dinner and we're going to, where did you say it was? Milford on Sea. And then we're going to find a lovely little place to have some drinks afterwards.
Come on, have a look at that. The size of the burger in this place. A 4-person meal for Molly, like someone is hungry. And we got the fish platter over there. The food looks banging. And now it's time to help 4-man finish her nachos. So that burger was banging. And now I'm tucking into these nachos. And all of these, the serving size was huge and literally for about 10 each. It was amazing. I got so much. So if you're ever in the Milford area, go to the Smugglers, check it out.
So we've just eaten and we are stuffed.
Proper stuffed. And we've been walking around Milford looking for a bar for a few more drinks, like something a little bit livelier. I think we're just going to go back, have a few drinks back at the place and shut off for the night. So yeah, we'll speak to you in the morning. See you later, beach, comma. Lovely stay, but the British weather has definitely done us in today.
Of course it has.
So we are off to the sauna and everything like that before we go home. And then hopefully by the time we get out, the weather will be good enough and we can go and check out the New Forest.
So I look like a drowned rat.
We've just come out of the sauna, steam room, hot tub.
It was banging.
It was very nice, feel very fresh. And the rain has stopped, so that means we get to go to the New Forest and search about. But one bad point, the first bad point we've had when we're here. So I go up to there, go to sign in or whatever, to get my card for the swimming. And they say to me, oh, are you a member, blah, blah, blah. I go, well, I'm staying here, whatever. So I thought I could use the swimming pool like you can in most hotels and things like that.
Yeah, most times it comes complimentary.
But it turns out that it cost us £15 for 2 of us to use a swimming pool for an hour. But not all doom and gloom. Molly got chatting to a little old lady in the sauna, as she does, little old lady chatter. And she told us that at this time of the year in the New Forest, they release lots of pigs, wild pigs
too,
to eat all the acorns, because in the winter there's a lot of acorns that fall, obviously, and acorns are allergic or something to the horses and kill the horses, so they release pigs to kill
you mean the horses?
The horses are allergic to acorns, so the pigs are released to eat the acorns to stop the horses from dying. So we are going to try and hunt down a pig. Searching for the pigs hasn't gone too well. We've come to this little town called Burley in the New Forest, and literally horses and that patrol the town. They're literally just chilling outside the newsagents. Well, they don't like me. So I've had to retreat back into the car because them horses did not like me.
He got so scared and he come running back.
Yeah, I did run back because I thought they were going to go for me. But got back into the car and we're going to go deeper into the forest now, out of the town, and try and find these pigs. So we found pigs, we have found pigs, but Molly's got to turn the car around like 8. So I'm deep here in the New Forest and I have actually stumbled across a couple of wild pigs, mate. Found them. I can't believe this. This is so cool. They literally just walked across this road that we just had to walk across. All the cars had to stop.
We're chasing the pigs right now.
Wild pigs.
Wild pigs.
So cool.
In England, of all places.
This is me and my mate Pete. We're just out here chilling, Oh, and there's Pertrude, Peter and Pertrude. We're just out here looking for food, you know, as we do, loving life, chilling. See you later, guys. Take care. Look after Permtrude for me. Can't believe that. How lucky was that? So we got to see 3 little pigs in the wild, and we didn't think big pigs, and we didn't even think we were going to get to see any. Like, I'm not even bothered about getting the drone up properly. Like, I got a couple of shots earlier in a little bit, and we can't bother to get out now. We're so excited. And Molly.
We'd love to say a massive thanks to that old lady in the sauna who told us to come to Burley and find these piggies. So
if you ever see an old lady in the sauna, make sure you get in, because they give you all the best tips. But yeah, Molly's tired, I'm tired, so we're going to drive back now. So we're back, guys. Got back in really good time, about an hour, just over an hour, because Molly was driving very well, let's say. But yeah, back New Forest. It's been a pleasure. Molly's just there feeding the cats in the background. Yeah, it's been a pleasure, New Forest. It was great. But this is obviously our first video, so guys, stay tuned, like, subscribe, and yeah, keep on dabbling.